We are now off to check out the first place in Chikmagalur. It's kind of late in the evening and looks like it's gonna rain heavily. It's gonna pour, but it's okay. I'm gonna try and get there as soon as possible. The place, it's a lake. The name of the lake, I couldn't pronounce it for the life of me last year, but I got it right this year. It's called Hirekolale. It's a little complicated, right? Hirekolale. Pretty dark up there. You can see this. It's gonna rain heavily. I had come to this exact spot in June last year. The water levels weren't nearly as high as this. You see this bridge right here. I'm gonna share the videos from last year as well as this year, and you'll see the difference in the water levels. You could see the entire bridge last year, like the pillars of the bridge. This year, you can't see shit. Yeah, this exact spot we walked last year, you can actually see the pillars from here, and look at this, it's pretty intense. It soon started pouring, so we ran to the car, drove back to the hotel, and retired for the day. The next morning, we went to Mysore Foods, Little Corridor at MG Road in Chikmagalur for breakfast. It's a lovely place with great food and an amazing ambience. Oh, this smells so good, right?
Superb, no? Beautiful.
Yeah,
Actually,
damn
my
beautiful.
aunt's place in my...
I'd like to have dinner here.
Yeah. My aunt's place is just like this.
Yeah, tonight we'll come early.
It's got warriors of...
Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Smith Suvarna. You're watching Designation and we are on a road trip. I've got with me Akshay, Aditya, Namita and Suma. Right there, you've met all of them in the videos before. And if you haven't watched those videos yet, the videos from this road trip so far, well, you can do so by clicking on the link above. It should be right here. I'm getting it right. This is the day 2 of the trip, and today we're going to be exploring Chikmagalur district. We're just passing Sri Coffee, and if you come to Chikmagalur, maybe you can give it a try. It's a nice place to sit and have a coffee and some South Indian snacks. If you're in the mood for it, when it's raining, it's just awesome. We are on the way to Kalhatti Falls, also known as Kaltagiri Falls. I'll tell you more about it once we get there, because right now talking about it makes no sense. The drive, absolutely gorgeous, right in the midst of the Western Ghats, in the middle of the forest. As you can see, everything around me, it's damn nice. Yesterday was a long day, a lot of traveling and getting drenched in the rain. That didn't help. Thankfully, none of us have caught the flu yet. And I think flu, even if we did, it wouldn't bother us as long as it's not, China virus. The falls that we're going to, they say that the water used to be so pure that it had healing capacities, right? And that's why they built a temple around it. So the waterfall flows through the temple.
What is it called this?
Kalhatti or Kalatagiri Falls. Such a beautiful little monkey family. We are now at Kalhatti Falls or Kalatagiri Falls. Looks very crowded. That's kind of sad, but well, that's something that we have to deal with. Let's see. It's kind of hot. Ow, ow, ow. So this place is very crowded and I don't want to take that risk. I'm sure this place is very beautiful and peaceful on a weekday, but right now it just seems a little too risky. I would want to go in there, but yeah, I don't think it's safe. There are too many people over here, so we're gonna... Akshay, be careful, be careful. Keep If you're planning on coming to Kalhatti Falls on a weekend, don't. Just don't come here. It's too crowded. Next place that we're going to is Z Point Trekking Peak, and there's a waterfall over there as well. It's called Shanti Falls. Hopefully we can find some Shanti there. No, not a female Shanti, yes, Shanti, peace. Yeah. There is a possible chance that Akshay is already infected because he's like almost hugging people over there while he's taking his videos. And
I'm having mild corona positive, you know. I'm not like people here also.
last time he was just joking that I've had breathing issues in 2 days. He's gonna have breathing issues for
Yeah, that's
sure.
another coincidence.
And I'm literally screaming, Akshay, Akshay, social distancing, and this dude has to be like... Now this is Shanti Falls. There were some people over here, but they've all gone. There's just like half a dozen left behind, which is fine. Actually, this isn't exactly Shanti Falls. At least this isn't where it starts. This is a few hundred meters downstream, but I'm glad we stopped by and you'll see why. Right now I think I should have carried my DJI Osmo Action. I didn't because I'm stupid, of course. This is some trek. The trek here is not the easiest, but then good things rarely ever come by easy. This moderately difficult trek is worth all the efforts you put in because it's quite rewarding in a way.
Yay, you guys made it.
To get to this place, you have to drive towards Z Point Trekking Peak from Chikmagalur town. On the way, you'll spot the waterfalls on your left. I've shared the location link of this spot in the description below. This is awesome, right? So here's the thing, ladies and gentlemen, if you come to Shanti Falls, don't stay near the road. hike up, trek up here, and it is absolutely worth every second you spend here and all the energy that you spend here, because it is simply incredibly beautiful. Aditya, bro. So when you come to Shanti Falls and you start trekking, make sure that you get good clogs or trekking shoes or something, because you're gonna need some good traction. Like Akshay and Aditya, they've come here barefoot. That's not really a good idea, because anything can poke you. Hey, we'll take this path. Namita, it's easier here. I thought the water here would be hard because of all the minerals that we have in the mountain, but I actually tasted it. Literally tastes like mineral water. Literally mineral water. You should actually try this out. So Shanti Falls was very, very epic indeed. A place you must visit and hike up to if you are anywhere near Chikmagalur. And do not get turned off by looking at the falls right next to the road. You have to hike up to really know, okay, careful, to really know how awesome this really is. But yeah, make sure that you've got a good pair of hiking shoes or clogs or something like that. You see, this is clogs, but it's got good traction. So, in all honesty, I thought we'll be spending about 15-20 minutes here, but we spent over an hour easily, maybe about 2 hours, almost 2 hours, yeah.
Not really.
Oh, again we have to do that thing. Once again, I've shared the location link of this waterfalls in the description below. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Hey!
Dude, what are you trying to do? We'll have to hold this.
And I think now it's time to say goodbye to Shanti Falls and head to the next destination for the day. Destination, spot, location, whatever you like to call it. It's gonna be Z Trekking Point, and I'm gonna tell you all about it very, very soon. People would probably look at this part and keep going because, well, it doesn't look that exciting, but holy shit, once you start hiking up there, it is absolutely incredible. And I'll tell you why you need to wear shoes. Look at this.
It's literally bleeding.
Let me show you why you need to wear good trekking shoes, or at least running shoes when you are hiking or trekking. Check this out. I know it looks nasty, but
Show his face
I was
expression.
stupid. I was stupid.
How do you feel, Akshay?
It's hurting. It's my mistake.
Do you think it's heights of stupidity now at least?
see, there's a big cut here. It could have been avoided easily.